The mid-range smartphone market is getting more competitive again. Samsung already has some popular mid-range phones like the Galaxy A55, so what makes this new one a good choice to buy? The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition features a minimalistic design similar to the regular Galaxy S24, offering a sleek look with a wide range of color options including blue, graphite, gray, mint, and yellow, allowing you to customize your phone's appearance. Its size and weight provide a solid premium feel, though it may feel slightly bulky for one-handed use. On the other hand, the Galaxy A55 also has a refined premium design inspired by the S24 series, with a distinctive key island on the right bezel housing the power and volume buttons. It comes in awesome ice blue and awesome lilac, with a glass back and aluminum frame that add to its luxurious and durable feel. However, its dimensions may not be the most comfortable for prolonged one-handed use, especially for smaller hands. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition features a 6.7-inch FHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, automatically adjusting between 60Hz and 120Hz for smoother scrolling and better battery efficiency. Its larger screen is ideal for media consumption. In comparison, the Galaxy A55 has a slightly smaller 6.6-inch FHD Plus OLED display with vibrant visuals but lacks adaptive technology, offering a fixed refresh rate of either 60Hz or 120Hz. While both displays are bright and vivid, the S24 Fan Edition's adaptive refresh rate gives it an advantage in smoothness and power efficiency. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition offers a versatile camera setup with a 50-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, plus a 10-megapixel front camera. This makes it ideal for a wide range of photography, enhanced by features like night mode and super steady video. The Galaxy A55, while solid with its 50-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and 5-megapixel macro lens, lacks a telephoto option, limiting its flexibility. However, it excels in selfies with a 32-megapixel front camera. Overall, the S24 Fan Edition's telephoto lens offers more versatility for serious photographers. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is powered by the Exynos 2400E 4nm chipset in Europe, a variant of the Exynos 2400 used in the regular Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. Though slightly less powerful, it offers strong performance for demanding tasks like gaming and multitasking. The Galaxy A55 with its Exynos 1480 chip is efficient and handles everyday tasks well, but may fall short in more intensive use cases compared to the S24 Fan Edition. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition has a 4,700 mAh battery, slightly smaller than the Galaxy A55's 5,000 mAh, which may give the A55 better battery life. Both the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition and Galaxy A55 run Android 14 with One UI 6.1, but the A55 lacks the advanced Galaxy artificial intelligence features found in the S24 Fan Edition, like Circle to Search. The S24 Fan Edition also comes with 7 years of OS and security updates compared to 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security patches for the A55, making the S24 Fan Edition a better long-term investment with more advanced software features. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is priced at $649.99 for the 128 gigs model and $709.99 for the 256 gigs variant, reflecting its premium features. In contrast, the Galaxy A55 is a more budget-friendly option at £439 for the 128 gigs version and £489 for the 256 gigs model, already widely available in the UK but not in the US. In the US, the closest option is the Galaxy A55 5G for $399. Should you buy the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition or Galaxy A55? Both phones are strong mid-range options with unique strengths. The Galaxy S24 Fan Edition shines with its superior camera setup, adaptive display, and extensive software support, making it a great choice for those seeking a feature-rich device with long-term value. On the other hand, the Galaxy A55 offers solid performance, good build quality, and a lower price, making it appealing for budget-conscious buyers. While the A55 is a well-rounded mid-ranger, the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is worth the extra investment if you want advanced camera features and extended software support. Additionally, if you're in the US, the S24 Fan Edition is your only option. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.